camping. Got Britt and me, Adam. We're gonna do some fun stuff this weekend. I am so dusty. Holy crap. Been running four-wheelers, just went out to get service. Britt and Adam are coming up right now. But we're gonna do some cool stuff this weekend. We're gonna go do some fishing, probably play around with tree stand. And we'll see how the weekend goes.
Howdy, folks. Take two. Okay, we're gonna go fishing. We're gonna go set up Gary's tree stand. We're gonna go look for elk and deer.
What are we gonna do right now, Adam?
We're gonna go.
I don't know. Maybe get some num-nums.
Play some pool, eat some food. So get you some of
That's
that.
what we're doing right now.
Get you some of that.
Hey, go hit us up on Instagram.
Get you some of that.
Here we go. Adam's trying his first ever piece of steak, is what it seems like.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Well, what do you think?
It's good.
We made some deer steak.
It's nice and hot.
Yeah, that's how I like it. Spicy.
Dang, that's pretty good.
It is good.
Now.
This is the scariest moment of my life.
Gary got the tree stand right here.
We don't know what we're doing.
5 feet off the ground.
And he's scared. I would be scared too. I'm gonna climb up there in a minute, I think.
I did it, so
Here,
that gives
climb,
you a reason
climb
to be
this.
scared.
Cut that. While you're there.
You got anything else to add?
Let me get it, make sure it's secure. I would talk more about life or death situation here. This thing is so...
Imagine me standing.
Well, you're not gonna
here
stand, you're gonna sit.
with a bow. That's true, but still.
You already got
Buck fever.
Like
you're
I'm
just-
gonna be. Like
Yeah.
I'm only 6 feet off the ground and I'm scared. What a chicken. What
Hey,
a loser.
I'm scared when I get
You're
up there
gonna be
too.
I just gotta figure out how to get down without getting hurt. No, it hold my fat butt.
You got some black on your nose and a thing in
I
your...
probably deserve it after I cut through your
Oh my
fat.
gosh, get over it.
Nope. Can't believe I was stupid enough to do that.
You're fine.
How in the heck do you even get around the thing?
Put your foot on this branch and then just lift yourself up.
This is how.
Yep. If it falls, blame Brit. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, blame me.
It'll
for
be my
cutting through
fault.
the strap.
It ain't gonna fall.
No, it's
Standing
on
up part
there.
is kind of scary.
Yeah.
Well, it's only up. So
I don't
I'm
know,
6.
that's not too bad.
I'm 6 foot. This is kind of sketchy walking underneath this thing. 'Cause I'll probably break my
Because
neck.
my fat butt will kill you.
No, I've had 2 surgeries.
Okay, the ultimate
On my
test.
leg, so
2
I got-
people up there.
2 people?
No.
It'll help.
We're dead.
This is sweet.
Scoot over.
I can't social distance.
I got on my way.
There's 2 people. That's
50
about.
shades of retardism.
That's about.
Best way to die.
Probably. What do you say? At least 200,
We're talking 300, dude.
300 pounds
I'm fat. No, I'm just kidding.
on the old river's edge.
It'll work. It'll work. We just got to get it up a lot higher for our real hunting. We're just up here above Britton's cabin trying it out.
Yep.
We were never really done this, so I really wanted to kind of figure out what I was doing before I really got into it. But it'll be interesting to see how we put this thing in a tree. But
Clear up there.
yeah,
like
maybe I'll watch
up
a few YouTube videos or talk to someone.
there, 'cause
Don't blow
This,
your money.
this is why you just get a muzzleloader tag. Then you don't have to
This
buy any of this garbage.
muzzleloader.
Dude, nah, don't listen to him. He's a hater.
You know
Bo,
what?
he's
I-
gonna
I
be
don't
our
have any-
camera.
I don't
You got a
have anything bad
mosquito.
to say about bow hunting.
You got a mosquito on your side.
Yeah.
Just kidding. I just thought I'd get him.
I think we're gonna leave this up for the night here, and then we might come up here and shoot just to see, because we did bring the bows.
Yeah. I mean, it looks, obviously, as you can see, we're clear up in that tree. I mean,
Oh yeah.
We're smoking high in that thing, so it'll be good target practice for us from 1 foot off the ground. Dude, why didn't we do it on that tree? There's no limbs.
We probably would have died. That one probably would have fell over. These are all dead.
Okay, well, Adam's not wearing his life jacket. It's right there, but he just hooked up on the troll. Oh, it's a chunk.
That's a decent one.
Thoughts? Opinions? Put your dang life jacket on, Adam. Look at that face. That's a man who's happy he's fishing.
Gary reeling in one here.
Holy.
It's a chunk.
Oh, yes.
Here we are. Rolled up on
This stupid thing.
Oh, I can't see you. There we go. Well, not all there is to see. What's going on?
Not much. We just woke up this morning. We're gonna go hiking pretty soon, but I'm gonna make me some gross eggs. They don't look very good. No milk in them. Just went and got my camera. Now we're going somewhere else to put it and look for more elk. What else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I'll throw some pictures in that were on the camera. It's just
What's
a big old
going on?
caterpillar.
Big old.
Woolly bugger. I don't think they bite. These guys have never seen one. We're trying to identify. There's another one.
Jeez.
We're trying to identify this plant here. I believe it is the woolly bugger tree. That's what we're gonna call it. I'm gonna put Ricky here, back where he belongs. Okay, well.
She's on the ground.
Hang on. Hang on. Stay there.
Anything else to say?
I haven't seen any elk. It's been pretty thick though. Once we get down into this hole, it'll be super good. I think there'll be elk. But yeah, trying to identify plants. If you know what those are, leave a comment down below and like and subscribe. Well, set up the camera. Left my backpack here. If that ain't me, I don't know what is. Lose my head if it wasn't on me. There's the camera. I'm gonna get out of here.